So what I want to do first is I wanted to organize ourselves a little bit just to make sure that we know where we at. Right? Samuel,
Okay.
Evan, and Rand, essentially list down the data set they need to upload. Sounds like Rand didn't really collect any data, so he's not doing any of these, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually the 16 we selected last week, we specifically chose all the ones that were already completed. And I don't think that includes any of Ram's. I'm not absolutely sure. I think he had one that was completed.
He never
But
collected any data, so what we did was actually looking at the categories where.
I have it open right here.
No, I got it right here. Look. So basically, this is the category, right? So we have four of them. I just want to make sure that we know where the data are for each one of these data. So let me just copy this whole thing so we can organize ourselves a little bit. Category 1 is all done, right? List down like where data is and see who is gonna upload what. So I think that's a table upstairs. You do category 2, 3. I do category 4.
Okay.
Those are the only ones we're gonna do first. So we all have less jobs, So we're gonna do these first, make sure that we can do them before we, for example, like do the remaining of it. So these data that are collected already, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because they're all like green already. Evan only has 2 measles, and those are the only 2 that he has. The mating has how many? 3, right? Okay. Jacqueline, you also have a couple. Did you finish uploading those things?
Yes, I already uploaded all of them to the correct label box.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, right now, actually, number 3 is the only one without any real images for data set. I just uploaded a random image on that one, so that way it could finish that up.
Mm-hmm.
But number 3 is the one that doesn't have anything, because, yeah.
Got it. And when you set up, let me just double check and make sure.
So to use bounding boxes, not segmentation.
Yes, exactly. So for example, this one, I'm just gonna take a look. Oh, okay. So which one's this?
Carbuncle.
Carbuncle. Okay.
That's one of the mild ones.
Yeah, I know. I know. Okay, submit. You're gonna have to educate me. This is Carbuncle as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, this is good. This is Carbuncle as well.
Mm-hmm.
You know what?
I think it uploads in. We generally do it in the same order that the data sets were uploaded in. So like we'll do all the carbuncle images first because I happen to upload those first, and then whoever uploads second will do those images second.
This is a carbuncle as well.
Yes.
So that makes labeling really easy then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
I feel sorry for this person.
I know. And I want to tell you, right? So when things got this serious, it's pretty much like has been neglected for a long time. So I'm pretty sure that's essentially like, like in less developed countries, right? So like maybe places like, I don't know, could it be Africa, could be, Southeast Asia, could be South Asia, but I think, this is where this power of the project is coming. That is, if we can do this, like realistically, maybe it's like this thing will help people in terms of identify these diseases, and therefore maybe they can take, precautions later, although we have to list down in the fine prints that we're not responsible if you take the wrong action. So those are the things we need to do. Are you okay? Okay, so we need to upload this photo. How do you guys think we should finish labeling? Because right now I think it's like, like a Jacqueline and a Mating, you 2 girls are pulling the weights to do the labeling. So obviously we need Evan and Samuel's help, as well as Rand's help if, he's actually wanted help. But are you guys okay, like doing more labeling?
Yeah.
Okay. Samuel, can you label the stuff that you upload?
Yeah, for sure.
And also help the girls,
yeah, I'm gonna try to do like a much bigger load. I was expecting to do like a few hundred images like on Saturday night.
Right.
Like
yeah, I mean
also I changed my schedule so that I can be able to more labeling done at the beginning of the week, because like what was happening was that like, I was doing it like really late, like midnight, like Saturday and Friday, and then like you guys like I was gonna do it, so then like you guys ended up doing it for me. And I felt really bad about that, so I tried to change it.
So you're gonna get some sleep now, right?
No, I'm not gonna get sleep. I'm just gonna do it like Monday, like today, and like yeah.
Samuel, are you taking a lot of classes, or what's happening? Like you have lots of like things on your mind, or what's going on?
I mean, it's not that much, but I'm just like I just like to stay up late. I wake up late and I stay up late.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys like go to the gym or do any exercise or anything like that?
Yeah, I do exercise.
You know, when I was a teenager, I really enjoyed my time as a teenager. You know, maybe partially it has to do with the fact that my dad enforced like a really restrictive kind of schedule for me. It's like 10:45, he's yelling at me. It's like, you got to go to bed. You got to go to bed. And if I'm not go to bed at 11 o'clock, you know, he's so mad at me. So every day I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I wake up at 7. It's pretty much like the routine. And it turns out it was like really good routine. Yeah. But then, you know, the summer camp right now, we have a student, she just couldn't wake up. And when she's wake up, like, she's like, you know, like just, yeah, it looks like she's half dead. So that wasn't very good.